We all know red light therapy masks are amazing for anti-aging skincare, but have you tried a wireless one? This was just sent to me, and this is a game changer for your skincare routine. A few things I always look for in a red light therapy mask: it has to be FDA cleared. This one is. You want a lot of lights, which this one has, and also the wavelengths. It needs to be 630 nanometers of red light and 850 of infrared light. And this one does have that requirement.
Here's what comes in the box. You get the mask itself. It's soft, flexible, medical grade silicone, plus 2 snap-on batteries with 90 minutes of runtime. You get a charger and silicone eye shields for safety. What really makes this mask stand out is power. It's loaded with 272 LEDs that put out clinical level energy, the same strength you usually only see in devices that cost 3 times more. And my favorite part, it's totally wireless. I can wear it while I'm doing chores or even while getting in a 10-minute workout. Step 1, before even wearing the mask, I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my face.
With freshly cleansed skin and the mask charged up, let's try it out. So you can put it on like this, or you can put the little eye parts in. So let's do that. They are labeled right and left. So that's what one looks like. And then you can either pop them in this way, or you can go up through it. And there we go. Once they're flush against it, all is good and ready. Put it on, wrap it around the back. You do want it nice and flush to your face, but not too much where you can't have your eyes open or that it's not comfortable. And yes, you will look crazy. Then we take one of our little wireless controllers. You're gonna feel for the side that has the 2 dots. It's ready. You can pick your mode.
This mask gives you 4 targeted light modes, and each is designed for specific concerns. They all have near infrared light, which is invisible to the eye, but penetrates deeper. That helps rebuild collagen and repair the skin from within. So the first light mode is the red and near infrared. That's 630 and 850 nanometers. This is meant to boost your collagen, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, and really help with firmness. This is your anti-aging mode. Then you have the blue and near infrared, 460 and 850 nanometers. This helps kill acne-causing bacteria and prevent breakouts. Then there's the orange mode. It has orange light and near infrared at 610 and 850 nanometers. This helps calm redness and even out your skin tone. And lastly, the purple mode. It has the near infrared light, and it's purple because it's a combination of both red and blue. That's working on both anti-aging and helping with any breakouts you may have.
Let's keep it on red light. And the coolest part is this is wireless. So I can go and do all the things right now. Let's go. Right now I'm on my vibration plate. I can do my 10-minute session on this and get my 10-minute session on red light therapy all at the same time.
This is that brightening mode, and I'm aiming to use this mask right now 3 times a week. This is my 3rd time using it, and I'm actually just gonna get some work done while I have this on.
Or you can treat yourself to some self-care time, lay down, get in a massage chair, take 10 to 20 minutes for yourself, and just close your eyes. Okay, I feel great, but does my skin look great? Let's see. First time using it, I did have it on a little too tight, so I have some marks on my face. I need to not put it on as tight next time. Once it's off, you just apply whatever your favorite creams or skincare routine is, and you're done. So as you use this, the first week, you can use it 3 times a week, 10 minutes a day. That's all you need. And then after week 1, you can drop off to 2 times a week. And then eventually you'll just do it once a week. And you should start seeing really good results. I'm gonna try all the different modes. I love, especially the fact that it has a skin brightening mode. I wanna get into that one and let you know along the way if I'm seeing great results. I'll give you guys an update. So just make sure you're subscribed to this channel, especially if you love red light therapy and anti-aging skincare. You're gonna love this channel. Beyond all the benefits of this wireless mask, I was really excited to try it because of the brand. So I did an earlier video. If you've been with me a while, you may remember it, on the INIA Flare. This is what the INIA Flare looks like, and
This one's really, really good for skin tightening and firming. Super impressed by it. You can actually see the difference in my skin in just 16 minutes. Like, it's crazy. So I knew that this brand was good. That's one of the reasons I was really excited to try this mask. Also, if you're new here, I did a whole video on everything you need to know about red light therapy masks before you buy one, from what wavelengths you want to look for, safety information so that you don't end up actually damaging your skin, and of course the science behind it. So that video up there, and I'll probably link that one at the end as well. Back to INIA, one fun fact about it, the name is actually the name of a pinkish colored dolphin that is found in the Amazon rivers. How cool is that? And it's like a super soft dolphin, so kind of reminiscent of that feel of this mask. Fun fact about pink dolphins, my daughters were watching a Barbie movie and there's a pink dolphin in it. And they said, they're, kindergartners at this age, "Mommy, are pink dolphins real?" And I said, "I don't know, maybe." Kind of thinking maybe there was like an albino dolphin that had a pinkish tint, but now I know pink dolphins are real. So I think that's super cool. If you're interested in trying this mask or just getting more information on it, I did put an affiliate link in the description and also in the comments, so you can definitely click on that to learn a little more. If you're curious how this is going to stack up against other devices, I have a video that compares different skincare devices in the price range of $250 to $800. This could be helpful just so you can find out what works best for your budget and your skincare needs. So go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then also here's that video.